All right, what's up, y'all? I was hoping that by delaying the forecast here till Thursday morning that I'd have a little bit better handle on how the storm system that's due for us overnight tonight and through the day on Friday was going to play out. And we do have a little bit better handle because models have not been agreeing on how this thing was going to transform. Some models bring in no precipitation, others bring in substantial precipitation, and they're coming into line a little bit better, but there's still some discrepancies. The storm's taking a very southerly track. That's one thing for certain. It's off the central Southern California coast now here on Thursday morning, and still strengthening and bringing a breezy day, cooler temperatures. We're looking for increasing clouds and precipitation to develop late tonight, probably just shortly before midnight for us in Flagstaff. And we'll switch. And we're going to just start taking a look at it here on the satellite shot. And here it is, kind of spinning up. There's not a lot of moisture with it. It's a very compact, tight storm system. It's been moving down the California coast for the last 24 hours, and it's still in its developmental stages. And over the next 12 hours, it's going to become a quite strong storm system here. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in the models, but the storm's also going to go right down and through Mexico. And this is usually not a favorable track as it moves away from us in northern Arizona to bring significant amounts of precipitation, and models are still not agreeing. And first I just want to talk about this storm and on the 500 millibar level on the models, and here it is right now this morning. And if we go 6 hours into this afternoon, now it's even more wound up right off San Diego. And the reason it's going so far south is this ginormous ridge in the Pacific, and this is a high pressure dome, and all storm systems have to come over the top, and then this thing is building so much that it's forcing this storm system way south. So watch what happens over the next 24 hours with this storm. If I click through, that's right into Mexico through the day on Friday. So it's moving away from us. And then notice what happens behind it, this huge dome of high pressure for the next week or so, right into Christmas and beyond, keeps any storm systems away from us. So beyond the storm system, there's nothing until possibly the next storm is out on the 29th, and that's not looking like an impressive storm either. If you're interested, here's the precipitation map now. And here we are this morning, and we go into this afternoon, and then now this thing starts to form some precipitation into Yavapai County, southern Arizona, and this is at 11 o'clock tonight. And then overnight, the storm's way south, but it is pumping in quite a bit of moisture, and I don't know if I believe this so much or not, but this is decent snowfall. It's a warm storm, snow level 6,000 feet, and you know, this is overnight tonight where we could wake up to several inches of snow in Flagstaff by Friday morning, and then continuing snow throughout Friday, and then it starts to just move off into southern and southeastern Arizona as we get into Friday afternoon, and then it's continues into even early Saturday for the White Mountains and Eastern Mogollon Rim, and then there's nothing for quite some time. What else do I want to say about this? We'll just look at the National Weather Service really quick, and right now the purples are for the Yavapai County Mountains above 6,000 feet, the Eastern Mogollon Rim, and the mountains of Gila County, and these are winter weather advisories. The wording of those is 4 to 8 inches of snow for those areas above 6,000 feet. They still haven't put out anything for us in Flagstaff because there's some uncertainty, although the morning forecast discussion from the National Weather Service is talking about possibly higher amounts and having to put out some winter weather products for us here in Flagstaff. I didn't show you the other model that's not nearly as wet as that one, so that's where the confusion lies. If the models aren't agreeing, you don't know what to say. And typically when these storm systems are that far south, it's very, they don't do the greatest job producing snow for areas north of Mogollon Rim, including us here in Flagstaff. I still feel we could see 2 to 4 inches, a few inches by Friday morning, with another accumulating inch or so through the day on Friday. Winter solstice on Saturday, right around 11 a.m. Happy solstice. Enjoy the storm.